the first one, you have given the positive response. Thank you very much for your response. And today we are going to start one more, the same limits only. We are going to start some more models. Okay, we'll explain in the short way only. Okay, now before teaching the shortcut, I am going to teach one more simple basic concepts. That one you try to remember these at least to crack that one. Suppose sigma 1 is there, n, sigma 1 means n, sigma n means sigma n, it is a sum of the n natural numbers. Okay, and here n into n plus 1 by 2. It is also same as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n. Suppose 1 plus sum of the n natural numbers, first n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. We can use, if it is there, you can use this one. And sigma n in the place of sigma n also we can use this one. Sigma 1 means n. N means 1 if you add 1 n times. Add n times. You add 1 n times. N times of 1 is n only. That is sigma 1. You remember this one. And sigma n square. This is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. And this is already we discussed in the last class also. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square. This is the sum of the squares of the n natural numbers. Okay. And one more thing. And n cube. It is also sum of the cubes of the n natural numbers. This is just to square of this sigma. This square of this one only. No need to remember square of this one. Square of this one means n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. It is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube. Okay. These you must remember these small conceptual formula. If you try to remember this, you can do so many problems in JEE, previous exam problems or JEE problems also we can solve based on this. And how to find out the nth term also. Suppose Sn, sum of the n terms is sigma Tn. You remember this one. Sum of the n terms is sigma Tn. Suppose Tn is what? Nth term of the series. Nth term of the series. Now, already you remember the previous concept. Now I am going to write the limit n tends to infinity. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n by n square is there. This one, sum of the n natural numbers, it is the sigma n by n square. Sigma n is what? What is the sigma n? Sum of the n natural numbers by n square. What is the highest term here? N into n square by 2 by n square. N square gets cancelled. What is that? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the final answer. This is the final answer for this problem. Okay, and one more I am giving. Limit n tends to infinity. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube. Okay, plus n cube by n square into n square plus 10 is there, suppose. Now what we are going to do? This is a sigma n cube. This is sum of the cubes of the n natural numbers, sigma n cube. It is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 by what is the highest term in this denominator? That is n power 4. N square into n square, n power 4. Here n square is there. One more n square, a plus b whole square formula. N square is there. N square into n square, n power 4 by 4 is there. Whole divided by n power 4. N power 4 cancel once. It is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is the answer of this. Okay. Already some of the squares already I discussed in the last class. You can now watch that one. You can, if you watch the last class, lesson 1, L1, you can find squares also. These are the very important for local entrance examinations. This concept is very important for JEE mains and advanced also. Okay, and BITSAT also. BITSAT also most important problems. These are most important conceptual problems. Okay, okay, students, we are going to explain one more problem that is appeared in the examination JEE mains to 2023 recent January first session problem. I am going to use the shortcut. How we will use the shortcut? You see here, you see 1 plus 2 plus 3, this is the one pattern, and 4 plus 5 minus 6. The first two are plus, third one minus, next 2 plus minus, like that. Here this is the nth term, this is the nth term, it is also first two are plus and the last one is, this is the nth term. Nth term is starts from first, second, third. Here first, second, third. Next first, second, third. Like that first, second, third. This is the nth term we are going to take. We are going to take, this is the nth term. Nth term, you know, already I explained. Already I explained about that. Sn, if you want to find out the series, sum of the series, Sn is equals to what? Sigma Tn, already I told you. Okay, I have given sigma n and sigma n square and sigma n cube also at the starting. That one we will use. You have to use this one. This 3n minus 2 plus 3n minus 1. This is the nth term. Minus 3n. This one we will use sum. To get the sum, you have to put the sigma to this. And you have to write this one as it is. What is the highest term here in this limit n tends to infinity is there. Highest term is what? 2n power 4 in this. And that one root over n power 4 is. No need to write remaining. Only highest term you write and root, keep the root. And minus is there, minus you write. Highest term in this also, you have to write n power 4. Root over n power 4. I am writing. Here we will continue. Next you see, here sigma, you have to simplify it. 3n gets cancelled. What is left? 3 is common, 3n minus 3 you will get. 3n minus 3, you have to keep the 3 outside. Sigma n minus 1. And here root 2 into n square minus n square. Okay, here, okay. It is okay. Now, limit n tends to infinity is there, but I am not writing. Now you see this one 3 into sigma n and 1. Here sigma n of sigma n sigma 1. We can write now sigma n, you know, n into n plus 1 by 2 minus sigma 1 is n. Already I have written at the beginning. This one 2 root 2 minus 1 into n square. And what is the highest term here? What is the highest term here? Here what is the highest term here? N square by 2. No need to take n. This is not the highest term. In the numerator, n into n square plus n by 2. N square plus n by 2 means n square by 2 is the highest term. 3 into n square by 2 by root 2 minus 1 into n square. N square gets cancelled. This is 3 by 2. No, 3 by 2 into root 2 minus 1. Rationalize with root 2 minus 1 is there now. Multiply with root 2 plus 1. What you will get? This one, 3 by 2 into root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 into root 2 minus 1, that is 1 only. This is 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1. This is A is the 3 by 2. This is A is the correct answer, correct option. Okay. These are the how we will use the shortcuts. You know, limit n tends to infinity. This type of problems are very important for all the pattern of examinations. You must remember they will give different types of problems. Here it is plus. Okay, and you have to follow the channel, and the more shortcuts I will explain, and one more shortcut also final already we have discussed that type of shortcut in the last lesson also. We are going to teach that one also. See, this is the 2021 JEE Mains 2021 problem, previous problem. How can we do this problem? Limits, we can easily score, we can easily solve the limits problem. You can understand how the limits are. Now, you see, here tan is there, sine is there. Already I told you, limit theta tends to 0. If you substitute theta is equal to 0, what will happen? Cos 0 is 1, no? It is pi. Tan pi is 0. And if you substitute theta is approaches to 0, sin theta is also approaches to 0. It is 0. 0 into anything? 0. Sin 0 is 0. 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form is there. What we have to do? We have to apply the formula or L hospital rule we will use. And one more thing, tan and sine are there. We need to remove the tan and sine. Already I told you. Here tan, I will remove tan and sine in this step. This one you have to remove this one, and sine also will remove. What is left? What is left? Pi cos square theta and 2 pi sin square theta. You have to L hospital rule. You have to apply. Now, after removing tan and sine, L hospital rule. Pi is there, na? Pi is there. L hospital rule. What is cos square theta? Derivative. 2 cos theta into minus sin theta by 2 pi. Very simple. You see, sin theta, 2 sin theta. X square means 2x. Sin square means 2 sin theta. Internal derivative, cos theta. You know, here cos square theta means 2 cos theta. X square is 2x. Cos theta, internal derivative, minus sin theta. That's why what is left? Pi gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. What is left? Minus cos theta sin theta by minus 1 into sin theta cos theta. No need to write this step also. Cos theta gets cancelled. Sin theta gets cancelled. You get the minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. Oh, it is easy. The less than 10 seconds you can answer this question. 2021 JEE Mains. See, the very simple. Already we have done 2023 JEE Mains also. See, all are shortcuts. How I am teaching shortcuts, previous problems also, how we are using the shortcuts. Okay, have you done this type of shortcuts previously or not? You have to give the feedback, and also I will explain more and more shortcuts for you. And if you need the coaching, online coaching, every day I will take 1 hour in the night time only, evening time only, after 8 o'clock I will take the class. All of you, if you need any online class, only some more shortcuts and tips to solve the problems very easily, I will explain each and everything. If you need, I will give the coaching. If you need, you can contact me. Okay, and definitely I will help you. Okay, thank you so much.